So you want to play Mass in Toronto, but have no idea where to start. Well, keep watching because I'm going to break down how simple it is to participate in the Toronto Caribbean Carnival Parade. Hi, I'm Peppa and I am one of the co-band leaders here at Sunlime Canada, one of the mass bands in Toronto, and each year we participate in the Toronto Caribbean Carnival. One of the most commonly asked questions that filters through our DMs and email is, how do I register for Toronto Carnival? So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how easy it is. First, you need to join a mass band. So a mass band is the organization that is responsible for creating the costumes that you see at the parade. Mass bands will do what is called a band launch. It's essentially a fashion show where they reveal their costume lineup for that year's parade. Once a band has launched their costumes, registration typically opens up. Now, every band is different. We typically open ours up on our website. It's super easy and simple and seamless. All of the costumes we've posted on the website, and then you'll have the ability to purchase the costume of your choice. Registering for Toronto Carnival is actually as simple as literally just purchasing a costume from a band. Once you've purchased a costume, you are technically registered for the parade. Now, when you come to pick up your costume the week of the parade, that's when you'll receive your wristband, which grants you access to the actual parade route. You'll receive your food and drink vouchers. You'll obviously receive your beautiful costume, any information related to the parade in terms of where to meet the band, what time to meet, etc. And of course, all the goodies. Our band launch is taking place on April 2nd at the Ontario Science Centre, and we are looking forward to seeing all of you first-time Carnival babies there.